During Duterte's time when he was president, he did not bow down to any foreign power. No. He only think of the Philippines first. As the chief foreign architect of the Philippines, he only wants the Filipinos to be at the center of all development. He does not bow down. He didn't bow down to America. He didn't bow down to China. He didn't bow down to Russia because his approach is that he's very, very diplomatic. Everyone is my friend.
What good? Yeah.
But once you fucked up with our country, he always say this: I will kill you. Why? Because that's the only language that a criminal will understand. Hello, sir.
Good job. Good job.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
What's ang mo? Kagtangay mong salamin.
Thank you so much.
Finally.
We are watching you. Keep watching you always.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. You know why? Because what's happening to our former president, it's really not about him anymore. It is about us Filipinos because we are a sovereign country. So we love him so much because he fought very hard to ensure that the drug problem of our country will be removed. Exactly. His main opponents before, or detractors, are the elites and the oligarchs. That's why he is put here, because of that.
You know what? You were missing yesterday. There was a group of 20, 30 students and a professor in the park there. They come here to explain why you're coming here. And all of us like attacked one by whoever were here.
I also just explained with the guy earlier. The guy was here and then he asked me a question. Why are you here? I was like, because we are Filipinos and we are fighting for our former president who is incarcerated inside the ICC detention. Remember, sir, we are not a member state of the ICC. We have a perfectly working judiciary. And we Filipinos are not Filipinos for nothing. You know, a lot of our forefathers fought very hard. What is your nationality, if you mind me asking?
Who, me?
Yeah.
What nationality?
Algeria.
Huh? Algerian. Okay. Were you colonized also, Algerian?
Original, it's close to Spain. Morocco.
But is it colonized by Spain?
It's, we colonized for 135 years.
Exactly. We have been colonized by 3 different colonizers. Spanish, Americans, and then Japanese. So we know very much how colonialism looks like. So that's why our forefathers fought very hard for us to be free in today's age and time. We are enjoying our liberty because a lot of people die for this. So we cannot just throw it away. And what they have done is that they surrender this person because he is a pain in the ass to all of those who are greedy with power and influence and who wants to rule the Philippines indefinitely. That's not the case because we are governed with a democratic process.
It's like
his human rights was stripped off from him. He was not given the due process. It's a shame, actually.
I think this problem, Duterte, it's international.
Yeah, it is international. It should concern not only the Philippines, but all ASEAN countries and also Europe in itself. Why? Because especially the Netherlands, they champion human rights. They say, we champion human rights, but they did not even have a say with this, what's happening. Because now they have bigger problems. They don't have the government right now. They will have another election on the 23rd of October. So the problem is this. They should tell ICC, hey, by the way, what's happening right now? Ano ba yung what are you doing right now? Is the Philippines a member state? No.
I think they have problem.
Also, Duterte, correct. Duterte also, he is not saying that these charges should just go away. No. He is very much confident to face it head on, fair and squarely. But it needs to be filed in our local courts. In the Philippines, yes, exactly, because we have a judiciary, we have our courts, we have judges. We have our own constitution. We have our laws.
Normally, the people who we come here.
Yeah.
They come like they come. I think there's some political problem.
Yeah, it is a political persecution. It's always influenced by politics. How can we claim that this is for justice when they charge him 3 years after? They haven't even filed these charges in our local courts in the Philippines. Why? He is no longer president. We have a new government.
How we bring it here to?
He was kidnapped. He was kidnapped from the Philippines. He was put onto the plane, and then he flew 22 hours with a very difficult medical condition. They didn't consider that at all. They were very inhuman. They did not consider that this person is Filipino. You know, that's what I mean. In the same way that it will be very painful for you if an Algerian person will be brought somewhere because he is a political problem later on for their
They should respect
the judicial process. Even if the person is you think the person committed a crime, he is still presumed innocent until proven otherwise, right? You cannot just say, "Hey, you're guilty already." No, that's not how the law works. That's why it's very painful for me, and it's very personal for me. That's why I tried my best to be here every day, because I want to echo what's happening here right now to the whole world as much as possible.
Good job.
Because our medias, they are not reporting what's happening right now. They don't care about what's happening with him. They want him to be vanished like a bubble. It's very painful. Hello po, mabuhay po kayo.
I think
He once said Barrow Duterte to lead.
Exactly. A lot of countries like his leadership. Why? Because he's very decisive. He knows that we need safety and security during the time that he was elected, because we are almost a narco state. That's why he received an overwhelming mandate voted by more than 16 million people. That time, that was a very overwhelming majority.
yeah, it was legally
Yeah.
illegal.
Yeah.
Elected.
He was elected by it's very sad. If you can only see my heart, then you will see how it feels like, really.
What I understand mean, this Duterte,
Yeah.
they have problem, okay. They have to solve this problem in Philippines.
Correct. That's the point. Not here.
No.
That's why we don't recognize the ICC. What are they? They don't have power over us.
No, ils ont pas le...
We are not a colony of ICC.
No. Philippines is country independent.
Correct. Actually, sir, what is happening right now is a big disrespect to our judges in the Philippines. Why are they even, studying in very prestigious university when they cannot even decide for a Filipino what's really happening? That is very painful. You disrespect our judicial process.
This problem is like a problem political.
It's political.
And then problem like government to government.
Yeah.
It's not like that.
That's correct. No. If you have issue with Duterte, talk to him.
Even this president, Philippines.
Yeah. Marcos, you mean?
Marcos?
Yeah.
He should.
Why do you like his father, Marcos?
I don't know. This president, you have to put pressure to this tribunal.
Exactly. That's why, sir.
To have the person in Philippines.
Yeah. Exactly, sir. That's why we requested Marcos to do the right thing. To request for the ICC or do whatever remedy that he can avail of, diplomatic pressure or whatnot, to ensure that he's brought back to the Philippines.
Yeah, maybe you have to make pressure for this president.
Yeah.
Marcos.
But they don't care. They want his daughter to be impeached because he's the president in 2028.
Or, or maybe
Inday Sara Duterte.
I see.
So that's why they're also harassing Congressman Pulong. That's the eldest son of Duterte, because he's also a threat to the political career. They're also harassing the mayor of Davao City right now, the son, the youngest son, Duterte.
This problem is like Kamala said, she's a group.
Yeah, that's the problem for people who is claiming that the Philippines is such a good democratic country when the whole world condemns us as one of the most corrupt country in the whole world.
I see.
You know what is this? As a foreigner, what do you think of what's happening to our former president?
I think they need more support from this president
Yeah.
to have
Kidnap him and send him back to the
come back to the Philippines.
Yeah.
And there they fix his problem.
Kidnap him
Yeah,
there.
exactly.
kidnap
C'est un
him here.
problème politique.
Because we are not baby. We are not babies, you know. We don't need our, let's say, uncle to decide on us what's really happening. No, we can solve this problem in the Philippines with our mothers and fathers there.
Exactly.
You know, that's just the normal thinking of a sane person. So yeah, I hope that you will also tell your friends what's happening here.
I think Philippines, they don't have l'ingérence étrangère. Comment on appelle ça en anglais? Sometimes they have some country, they bring they come to Filipino some country, they put problem inside the
Yeah, spice.
ingérence,
Spice.
ingérence.
Yeah,
This is
that's why, you know, during Duterte's time, when he was president, he did not bow down to any foreign power. He only think of the Philippines first.
Oui.
As the chief foreign architect of the Philippines, he only wants the Filipinos to be at the center of all development. He does not bow down. He didn't bow down to America. He didn't bow down to China. He didn't bow down to Russia, because his approach is that he's very, very diplomatic. Everyone is my friend.
It was good, yeah. I
But
see,
once you fucked up with our country, he always say this: I will kill you. Why? Because that's the only language that a criminal will
I
understand.
understand. Like
Yeah.
what is doing now Trump with drugs with
Yeah, exactly. Look
America.
what happened to Trump right now. He told the ICC, I will impose sanction to the ICC. To the chief prosecutor I will impose sanction. All the ICC member going to the Philippines.
Yeah.
What happened to the chief prosecutor country? You're a prosecutor being prosecuted because of sexual related activities.
You know, there are 4 Jews.
Oh,
ICC,
yeah, 4.
They are American, and Trump he said you don't come back anymore here, and he take him the citizen.
Yeah,
America.
correct. Yeah.
Finished.
Yeah, it's finished. That's how it's supposed to be, because you know we shouldn't be told what do we need to do as a country.
Exactly.
Because we are an independent country, we need to resolve our issues within our land, correct or not?
Yeah, but I'm okay like that. You have problem, they fix there in Philippines, not here.
Yes.
No, did
Look
you
at
kill
him.
somebody outside?
He's here for 85 days.
I know, from maybe
March 11.
most,
From March 11, he was kidnapped. It's called, in international law, extraordinary rendition. So from the Philippines, March 11, he was surrendered, kidnapped or whatnot by a collective effort of group of Filipinos, and put onto the plane. By Duterte, for 22 hours you fly, blah blah blah. We thought that it was just some sort of an act, and then eventually he will be brought back to the Philippines. But it became, those particular dream or nightmare, however you want to call it, became a reality. And now 80 days forward, we are still here outside. We are still hoping that the ICC will find it within themselves to bring back a person.
now they give it back, don't worry. I think they are playing like that. Sicila is not good.
Yeah.
Premièrement, when they have to arrest somebody, you should have le mandat international d'arrêt.
Correct.
International.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Nice to meet you, ma'am. Mabuhay po kayo, ma'am. See you soon, ma'am. Huwag po tayong tumigil, ma'am. Suportahan po natin sa Tatay Rico hanggang sa dulo. Maraming salamat po. Bye po.
You take like example Putin.
Yeah.
Putin, huh?
Yeah.
His Court international, they condemn them, mandat d'arrêt international. But he stayed in his country now. Yes. Nobody can stop that.
Correct. Because you know why, sir?
Yeah.
The ICC do not have a police power.
Why?
If they have a warrant of arrest, in order for the person to be brought to the ICC in their custody, they rely on the cooperation of the member state.
Yeah.
That's why the ICC sent this warrant of arrest, or let's say, for example, they say it's a diffusion notice through the Interpol, because our current president said we maintain that we will not cooperate with the ICC in any whatsoever manner because we are an independent state. However, we cooperated with the Interpol because we have an obligation with the Interpol. It was not even a red notice. It was a diffusion notice via the Interpol. So they say, oh, by the way, we received this, so we cooperate because it is our obligation under whatever agreement we have existing for an X number of years. But the problem is this, he was a Filipino. We share the same nose. Maybe some people can afford a rhinoplasty, so their nose becomes like your nose, very pointed. But we are still Filipinos. If you cut our blood, it's still a Filipino blood. But these people want him gone in the Philippines and want him maybe to die here inside the prison. You know what's gonna happen if he's going to die there inside?
That's again a big problem.
It's a big problem indeed. It is a very big problem. As Filipinos, that's why we are here, sir. You know why? Because this is not about us anymore. This is not only about him anymore. It is about us. Us as Filipinos, our sovereignty, our independence, and what will the future generation would think about us when they read the historical textbook saying, oh, they just didn't do anything. A Filipino was there inside. They just sleep and they just move on with their life. No, because that's not. Our forefathers also died. General Luna and Bonifacio died because of a Filipino betrayed him.
Opposition in Philippines.
The opposition is very bad because you know they play dirty tactics. This is the result of the opposition. This is part of it. Honestly speaking, they cannot play squarely like that. You know, I don't understand.
You need the opposition to
Soon. That's why right now, sorry. That's why right now, sir, the daughter of Duterte said that we need to create a very meaningful opposition. What is that? Because in any democratic country, there should always be an opposition. Because that's how you maintain a healthy balance.
Exactly.
Checks and balances. Okay, you have this government, and then what if they're gonna do something? So you need to have an opposition.
You have to question the government.
Correct. It's very important to question.
No matter
Otherwise, it's going to be dictatorship anymore. If you do, you're just going to be hello, bye, you know, bitch. That's what I mean. So you always need to say, hey, they sold how many tons of gold? It's of course it is our duty to say, why did you sold these tons of gold, gold reserve?
You have to question.
Exactly.
Every minute.
Our budget, sir. They say that they submitted the budget, the General Appropriations Act, and then there were blank pages there. Oh, why are there blank pages? So you need to explain that. And every Filipino has the right to question. Not only those senators or congressmen. We have the right because it is within our birthright to question what's happening to our country. Yes or not?
Yeah, of course. Maybe for you, this program you can help future. Democracy.
Imagine if it's just so easy, ate. If it's just so easy to bring a Filipino here in the international entity to be judged, can you imagine that we can just send anybody if it's going to be a problem, right?
Me, when I go
Marcos should be in and
exactly
should be out.
Continuation.
Yeah, it's going to be a practice now, or regular practice. So we need to stop this because this is wrong in the beginning.
Yes, it is.
Can you imagine if you're going to just send somebody because it is a political opponent? That's very problematic.
It's the first time happened.
It's the first time. Also, the first president ever put inside the ICC from Asia. He is now an experiment of the ICC. But it is a very wrong experiment.
And the wrong people that they put.
Of all the countries, why him? And they're saying, oh, our evidence is so strong. It's crimes against humanity, war, chuchu, bilat-bilat, and everything. But they ask for the presentation of the witnesses twice to be extended. The court granted that because I do whatever circumstances. But the point remains is, if your case is so strong and overwhelming, why do you need to extend the presentation of your witness? And then it so happened that some of the investigators from ICC were in the Philippines talking to police whatsoever, Chucho, because they want them to sign a affidavit to support their case here. Oh, you see? It's very tricky. Sir, I'm not even a lawyer, but I'm just understanding the situation. Oh.
Yeah, you have to go. Yeah, good.
It is our right to know this. It's very important to know this. Di ba, ma'am?
Yeah.
Oh. If we are not going to speak up now, who is going to speak up for us? If they can do this to a former head of state, a former president, how about us, normal people? They can easily silence us. Oh. Who's going to say, Alvin, saan ka na? Di ba, ma'am? Sino bang magsabi? Wala. Hanapin ka. O, saan ka na ba dito? Nandito kami sa labas. Nobody will do that, of course.
Alvin is the right person to explain everything.
That's the point, sir.
Yeah.
But it's very logical, sir, right or not?
Yeah.
Any,
Like I said,
I'm very
one time
sure.
he said,
It's
can
not
we
fair.
borrow
It's
you?
not fair.
Yeah.
Yeah, sir, I'm very sure a Dutch local will never ever approve that a Dutch person will be brought to the Philippines and then we are going to judge them. They will go oplectic. Magalit magalit Tagalog terrorism. They will be very angry. They will be very angry. They will be fuming. Do you speak Filipino? No. Oh, yeah.
Talk now.
Talk now.
Talk now.
I'm speaking 4 languages.
4 language.
That's it.
It's not easy for me. My CD-ROM.
What is the language of Algeria?
Arabic,
Shway Arabic.
I am,
Shams.
because in Algeria we have 4 languages.
Language. Yeah.
We have the Igorot.
They only care. Look, this is a very simple question. Example, sir. When the Church of Notre Dame got burned, they got burned. In just few weeks, I think in a few days, they were able to raise money in billions of euros. Now the ICC is in danger because they don't have money anymore because Trump already put sanctions, blah blah blah, all of this, everything else. So the main question is this: the only case before the ICC is the case of our former president. So what is this? So after this, what kind of case are they going to take? Oh, that's the part. And also, the main function of the ICC, sir, is that it is only a court necessary if your country judicial system is no longer working. Maybe if we are at war, or maybe if there's a crisis. So it's called the court of last resort for nothing.
The CC, they are not allowed to interfere problem.
Exactly. For internal matters.
Yeah.
Correct. Who are they to begin with?
CC, you have to follow.
Oh.
It's justice.
Oh. Another question. When they bombed the place in Afghanistan, the United States bombed Afghanistan because of under the pressure of a weapon of mass destruction, and then they found out there was no weapon. So why didn't they go after America?
That's Bush.
Yeah, it was Bush. Why didn't they go after Bush? Because they cannot do anything with a big country. Powerful country. So that's why they only go to developing countries like from Africa, Kosovo, Serbia. Exactly. Yeah, that's my point. Because they cannot, China, or maybe, or also India, Russia also. Why is that?
Israel.
The problem with us, sir, is this. The main problem is that few Filipinos did this to him. Because if you are really a Filipino by heart, you will never surrender a Filipino. You must protect your own. That's what America, Russia, and all other bigger country would do. Oh, di ba, ma'am? Oh, mo nang ganahan ko sa imo, ma'am, kamuyas ka.
Just like you are.
Kabalo na siya,
Yeah,
no?
exactly.
Isang magbaon si Alvin, no? Kanina yun siya.
That's why, sir, you know what, sir? I will never be tired to explain what's happening. Even if I need to do this every minute, every second. Because I know, I feel, except yesterday, because, I wasn't here yesterday because I was some sort, exactly. So, I feel that this is my duty as a Filipino. As a Filipino, you have a birthright duty to fight for your country and for your countrymen.
Also about Philippines, they have some revolt for university students.
Shows you the YouTube in
They
Sherwood.
have some.
They have a demonstration in Sherwood.
Oh yeah, they have demonstration.
Canada, they have some.
Yeah, also, yeah.
In Philippines, it's
We do have as well, yeah.
good.
Yeah, but right now, sir, nobody is doing that. Everybody seems to be enjoying what's happening to former president because he is so popular
Yeah.
that the whole Philippines, if there's an election today, he will win as president. I'm telling you. If we are going to change the whole government and there will be an election, he will definitely win. I will put my hand as a bet. And if he's going to lose, cut it, both of them.
Now this one is still 1 year more, 2 years.
3 years more.
Okay.
3 years more is too long.
Too long.
It's too long.
Si Tabarnek.
Yeah, what is the problem?
Yes, too long.
Yeah, and you know, nobody is going on the streets right now until the Filipinos are fed up. That's why if he's going to die inside, God forbid, it's going to be a big problem.
No, I think
Sige
to take out this president, Philippines, you should have a big revolution.
Exactly. But sir,
Civil.
if you're going to have a people power or a revolution, yeah, you know, if you're going to do that, it's going to cost money. And it's going to cost a lot of the lives of Filipinos. You know, a lot of people will die. Him, who's incarcerated inside, he doesn't want that. Because even now, when he's very old, he still think about the Philippines and the people. He doesn't want anybody to spill the blood because we are all Filipinos after all. He said,
good,
if this is my fate, whether I'm going to be inside or in the Philippines, so be it. But we as Filipinos, he already put his life for public service. So now I think it is our time to give back to him
To work for the
and do our bit as Filipinos as well. You have any questions? Because I'm very alert right now.
No, I hope everything is going good
Yeah.
for them.
Yes.
It's,
Honestly, I really hope so too. That tomorrow, if it's just up to me, in this evening I will already book a ticket for him going to the Philippines.
I will hope.
If I-
I think
Yeah.
it's going to go close to the end. Because they have all
They have to send him back.
Yeah.
They have no witness. They have no case.
One is going to have a judge.
Adjudication. They are still working on to deciding on whether or not because the defense filed a motion to disqualify 2 of the 3 judges who's going to decide on the motion to challenge jurisdiction. So if they're going to say, okay, these judges indeed are already impartial, so we need to change them, then if we're going to convince to have 3 more judges, they are going to get 2 judges from other chamber and then convene to make 1 chamber as 1, and then they're gonna decide on the motion to challenge with respect to jurisdiction. If they're gonna say, oh, by the way, indeed, we don't have jurisdiction over the Philippines, send Duterte immediately. Then it's going to be the win of a lifetime.
That's it. It's
Yeah.
good. One person here, they take 5 months, 6 months.
Do you know there are only 5 of them there?
No, man, no,
Yeah.
no. 5.
5 or 6?
And they are more.
4. 6. Yeah, it's 6. 4 from Kosovo, 1 from Serbia, and then 1 from the Philippines. Can you imagine?
Yes, there's only one.
4 from Kosovo, 1 from Serbia, and 1 from Philippines. Can you? Philippines?
Only one is from the Philippines, and he is one of the highest.
Yeah.
Only PRD is the highest profile.
Yeah.
Because it is.
He was the head of former head.
Political.
Imagine if an Algerian ex-president will be put here. Everybody will be very angry.
But sabi ko,
They'll be happy.
we have problem like you.
Yeah.
We are dictator system.
Yeah.
Dictator system, they never come here. You know why? They pay too much money.
That's why.
You
They
have,
pay. It's all about the money.
we pay.
We all need money, but they need more because they're greedy.
Yeah.
Like Alto. Hala, talagi ka.
No.
Let's continue.
Thank you, sir, ha? Thank you so much.
Thank you too.
Ma'am, thank you kayo, ma'am. Thank you for the conversation.